Welcome to Torus Digital channel. Today, we will show you how to trade in margin trading facility with Torus Digital app. With margin trading facility, you get 5x buying power with just 20% upfront payment, attractive interest rates as low as 0.05% per day, access to over 1,000 stocks for a diverse portfolio. Start by opening the Torus Digital app on your smartphone. Once you're logged in, click on the Stocks option available on the dashboard. Select or search a stock from your watch list to find the stock you wish to buy. Once you select the stock, you will land on the Details page. Expand by order form to check MTF eligibility. Click on the MTF tab if you wish to place your order through MTF. Enter the quantity you wish to purchase. If you choose MTF, your margin requirement will be lower compared to regular delivery order. Click on Buy to place the order. Once the order is placed, go to Books and you can see your MTF stocks same day and anytime later in the Position tab. You're all set. Now you can make the most of your trading potential with MTF on Torus Digital. Stay tuned to know more. Investments in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.